Welcome to Align Trading, going over the SPY recap today, as well as the live Discord analysis and trades taken. So first thing here in the morning that I posted in the pre-market brief for members was to be watching for the continuation of this purple buying algorithm right here. And if we started to see some controlled selling, to be watching out for it right here with these algorithms. And you can see right here, that is what we did as we built liquidity. I also explained that if you wanted to short this, wait for the green algorithm to break and a possible head and shoulder right here to see the possibility of this inverse cup closing at this level right here. However, we never closed the cup, and without closing this inverse cup and seeing that handle to continue within this orange selling continuation right here to build more liquidity, we are in the blue and yellow controlled selling algorithms right here. And towards the end of the day, we started to try and close this cup right here at this 535. As I explained here with this inverse cup and handle that we can see right here that did give this red candle, but we never broke out of the white algorithm right here, and that is why we did not continue breaking down and closing that inverse cup, and instead we started to form this inverse head and shoulder that I explained off of this 534 level, trying to close that cup. Now on the 1 minute, taking a look at the trades and the microstructure. So first thing in the morning, I posted I was watching for this inverse cup and handle right here for this breakdown, which you can see I start taking right here. Now, if we were going to go up, I was explaining I wanted to see this inverse head and shoulder above this 535 level and something like that. Now where I take my trade is off of this smaller inverse cup and handle you can see right here. This is where I take my first entry, and then on the way down within these controlled buying algorithms, you can see this head and shoulder again, as well as this inverse cup and handle, giving us this breakdown right here where I take all of my position. After these trades right here, I was done for the day with this choppy price action that we had here and no real direction. You can see we are between this range the entire day. There were still some trades you could have taken, as I explained here, with this cup and handle forming, along with this inverse head and shoulder right here. You could have taken that trade. I also explained that if you wanted to short right here, be watching for this liquidity right here and the possible breakdown, and you can see we form that right here. However, down here at this inverse cup, you see there is no handle right here, and instead we start to form this inverse head and shoulder and regain this 533.40 and begin heading back up into the range. The reason that we got this breakdown right here, I was explaining on the 30-minute that in order for that to happen, we needed to see this green and purple break right here, and that would give the breakdown out of that stronger buying algorithm. However, we did not break out of white like I explained if we wanted to continue heading down. Now taking a look at tomorrow, we are still within the blue and the yellow controlled selling right here. However, if we do want to break down, watch for a possible double top here and a possible inverse cup starting to form and something like that if we do want to break down, completing it at this 530 level. In order for that to happen, watch for that same white algorithm right here that was unable to break down today. You can see it tried many times, however it was unable to. We can also be creating more liquidity here with this controlled selling algorithm if we do before we head up higher like that. Now if we start the day with a gap up, completing this cup right here, watch for this retest and continuation within this purple buying algorithm once again. On the daily chart, we are still above both of these moving averages, and you can see this 5-day is starting to trend higher now, so watch for this upper Bollinger still, and if we continue moving higher, that is possible. We have this cup forming here on the daily with a possible handle right here. So watch if we do see that continuation now and continue moving higher like we do after we test the 5 and 20 here as well, with the 5 in this upper Bollinger trending higher, and you can see that we continue this uptrend. We do have news in the morning, which I will put up here, so pay attention to that as that can give us that gap up or gap down in the pre-market. I also just wanted to mention, try not to lose focus tomorrow with the whole GameStop situation, as you are going to see everywhere flooded talking about it, whether it's Twitter or it's the news or it's someone in your chat group. Just understand that there are more opportunities out there. You do not need to chase any of these opportunities or feel like you are missing out. As always, try to find your couple trades each day within the chart here and follow your rules, risk management, etc. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you're not, and I will see members in the morning. Thank you.